Do you ever just stare at a task knowing you need to do it, but your brain, well, it just won't start? Well, that's called task paralysis. And if you have ADHD or autism, the reasons can be different. So let's split them up. For ADHD, it's often low dopamine. If something isn't interesting, if it isn't urgent, the brain resists starting. It's like trying to push a car with no gas. How to fix it? Try timers, body doubling, or making a task fun, like racing yourself. For autism, it's usually overwhelm, sensory overload, or unclear steps. If the task feels unpredictable, the brain locks up, like a frozen computer. In order to fix it, you can break it into clear steps, use routines, and reduce distractions. ADHD, well, it just needs motivation. Autism usually needs clarity. And if you have both, like me, well, good luck. Anyway, what helps you get unstuck?